Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. This time I'm going to start with videos about tips and tricks that may be useful for you when using either Azure Machine Learning, the platform as a general, or maybe using Python code. So this short video is about animations. In the library matplotlib, we are allowed to create animations using plots. So we can create figures with subplots, and then in those subplots we can create animations on each chart or each drawing. How do we achieve this? So the first thing, and probably the most important one, is we need to set the backend to notebook. The first line you see here on the screen, matplotlib notebook will allow you to create animations. If you don't do this, the end result will be a static PNG, probably empty. Okay, so how does animation works? Animation works by drawing something over a period of time. So what we are going to do is to draw something every 100 milliseconds, and then on each iteration it will change, and then you can see an animation going on. For that you need to create a function. That function here is called update, but we will see it in a minute. And then we need to set up the animation, which is here at the end. So the animation is a function which takes a few parameters: the figure, the function that needs to be called every 100 intervals, and the number of frames. And then you show the plot. Before that, we had to create the figure, and as you can see, the figure is only a call to subplots, one row, 4 columns. So we are creating 4 plots in the same figure. And then we are going to say that we want to share the y-axis. So that's all you need. The real magic is in the update function. So here we are creating 4 set of random numbers. X1 is a normal distribution, X2 is a gamma distribution, X3 is an exponential distribution, and X4 is a uniform distribution. And for each one we are going to create an histogram. And the magic of creating an histogram is only in this line. So AX and in brackets 0 means we are going to use the first subplot. So in the first subplot we are going to plot the x1 values with 20 bins and alpha of 0.5, color blue, and edge color blue. And then we do exactly the same for the second, the third, and the fourth, but the only thing we need to change is the title, the values, and the colors, so we can see some difference. Okay, then at the end we create the number of samples in a subtitle, tile layout to make it smaller, and then we define the limit of the y-axis between 0 and 250. And that's basically it. So let's run this. And here is how it looks like. Basically every 100 milliseconds we are having a number of samples for each histogram, and that's how you see the distribution going on. So you can see the normal distribution, the gamma distribution, the exponential distribution, and the uniform distribution in a nice animated way. Of course, you can do the same with other types of charts. The only thing you need to replace is the function itself with your own logic or your own drawing logic. Okay, I hope this video is informative for you and see you in the next one.